Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Brawl Stars on your TV. You have two primary methods to connect your phone for a larger screen experience. One approach involves a physical cable, using an adapter to mirror your device directly onto the television. The second method utilizes wireless technology, allowing you to cast your phone's display without any cords. Both options offer a fantastic way to enjoy your favorite game in a whole new dimension, making every match feel more epic. For a wired connection, you will need an HDMI adapter specific to your phone's charging port, like a USB-C to HDMI adapter or a Lightning to HDMI adapter. First, connect the adapter to your phone, then plug in a standard HDMI cable to the adapter. Next, insert the other end of the HDMI cable into an open HDMI port on your television. Finally, use your TV remote to select the correct HDMI input, and your phone's display will appear on the big screen. For wireless casting first, verify that both your mobile phone and your smart television or casting device, such as a Chromecast, are on the exact same Wi-Fi network. Next, navigate to your phone's quick settings or display settings to find the screencast or Smart View option. Select your TV from the list of detected devices, and your phone screen will begin mirroring wirelessly. This method provides great flexibility, letting you play Brawl Stars from anywhere in the room. To truly enhance your Brawl Stars experience, consider a few adjustments. Optimize your television's picture settings by selecting a game mode. This often minimizes input lag, making your reactions quicker. For even better control, you might pair a compatible Bluetooth controller to your phone, offering a console-like feel. Furthermore, always keep your phone charged, especially during extended play sessions, to prevent unexpected disconnections. A stable network also guarantees smooth, uninterrupted gameplay.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.